Good afternoon, sir. In this video, I'm going to create a database named University. But before we start, I'm Derek C. Parocha, second year from Black J. And now, mag-create po tayo ng database. Copy and paste. Yung code po pala is prepare ko na po earlier, so magka-copy and paste na lang po ang gagawin natin. And as we can see, nakapag-create na po tayo ng database, which is the university. And now, mag-create naman po tayo ng tables. Ang i-create po nating tables is departments and students table. And now, copy po natin yung departments table, paste, and go po natin. So, ayan po, nakapag-create na po tayo ng departments table. Yung departments table po has a unique key, unique different ID that auto-increments. Like, pag naka-auto-increments po siya, automatically mag-increase po yung number of ID niya. Department name and yung department name po is hindi po na-allow na ma-empty po siya kasi hindi na po magtutuloy yung pag-create. And now, mag-create na po tayo ngayon ng students table. Students table. And yan po, successful po yung pag-create natin ng students table. Students table naman po is nag-store siya. In-store niya yung records. It includes details like name, age, major, enrollment name, and enrollment year, and GPA. The department ID column like links each student to a department using a foreign key. And now naman po is mag-insert po tayo ng 5 different records into the departments table. Departments. And copy, paste. Ayan po, successful. Tingnan po natin. Ayan po, successful po yung pag-insert natin ng data sa department table, which is computer science, engineering, mathematics, physics, and biology. And now, mag-create na po tayo, mag-insert na rin na po tayo ng data sa students table natin. Students table. Students table. So, as we can see, dito na po yung in-insert nating data into students table. Yung 5 student records po is na insert sa student table, each link to a specific department through department ID. Kunwari po, for example po, si Erin Jager, na link po yung ID niya sa computer science, which is department ID 1. And now, we're going to filter students with a GPA greater than 3.5. Copy and Punta po tayo sa SQL. Paste. And po, successful po yung pag-filter natin. Yung this query filters students with a GPA greater than 3.5 and who are enrolled in either computer science or engineering. The end, punta po tayo sa SQL. And now, magre-retrieve naman po tayo ng top 3 students with the highest GPA. Top 3, select, academic, 3, okay. The query retrieves that the top 3 students are Mikasa Ackerman, Erin Jager, and Hens Zhou. Sinusort po niya yung records in descending order using order by GPA descending and limiting results to the 3 with limit 3. So, ayan lang po yung nagawa natin for today for our preparatory exam. Yun lang po. Thank you, sir.